Welcome to you all in my presentation. It's me, Gyano Dahal. I'm going to discuss on mentoring in this presentation. I'm interested in this topic, mentoring, because it is very much useful for teachers, students, as well as institutions. This presentation aims to support novice mentors and those who are interested in mentoring. What is mentoring? Mentoring is a process through which a more skilled teacher offers support to another less skilled teacher. In mentoring, an experienced teacher engages a less experienced teacher in activities and conversation to support their professional development. It is an important and effective form of support to help novice teachers grow in their career. There are different roles of mentor. They are model, sponsor, acculturator, educator, and support. However, in the Nepalese context, less experienced teachers, mentees, they expect solutions to every problems related to teaching from their mentors. They expect mentors to give teaching tips. They wish to get prompt answers from mentors. Mentors are less trained. They are experienced teachers, but not well trained. So I got in dilemma. I have been working on mentoring for many years, but did I follow the theory? There are two questions in my mind. What does the theory say, and what did I used to do? Did I used to follow the theory? Then I would like to find out what exactly it is. Then I went through the recorded video, which I have done last year with my mentee. I transcribed that. Then after I checked and rechecked the transcription, then I found I used to give suggestions. I used to dominate the conversation. There were no balance between me and then my mentee's conversation. It was almost directive. Then I started thinking, why did I do so? Then I found out because of my belief system, lack of time and resources, poor mastery on mentoring, less opportunity to practice, own professional development, and cultural differences. During the TED module, I learned mentoring should be non-hierarchical, non-evaluative and non-judgmental, development and growth-oriented, empowering and non-directive, supportive, emotional, technical, and reflective. Then after, I'd like to find out more. I'd like to do it more, practice it more. Then I plan to practice it again with my mentee. Then I found again different thing. The same process I did. I recorded the conversation, I transcribed, I checked and then rechecked the transcription. Then I found I keep balance in the conversation. I create a positive and comfortable environment to my mentee. Let the mentee share their situations. I find myself a good listener. Then I realized that mentors should be trained. The person who is experienced teacher, he or she never be themselves mentor. They should be given enough opportunity to practice mentoring, and they should be made resourceful. So to prepare this presentation, I have read these books and articles. Thank you so much for listening to me and watching my video.